Here's a 2017 Toyota 4Runner. Roam the vast unknown in this 4Runner, a rugged SUV with plenty of room for passengers and backpacks, plus all sorts of creature comforts. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection remarks, the 4Runner is authentic, and that's part of what makes its rugged style work so well. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
The Nye Automotive Group has been the premier dealership in Oneida for vehicle sales and service for over 40 years. We are conveniently located on Route 5 in Oneida.